We went to the home show over in Pasco, and there was a rep from Smile a Mile there, and I had recognized him because I see the fans and things driving around the town, and Wendy started talking to him, and he seemed really nice and knew what they were doing, so we scheduled an appointment right then for them to call us and to come by and give us an estimate.
So they called us and just scheduled the time. It didn't take long. They were able to come out and give us the estimate. The girl was really friendly and nice.
He explained things pretty well. We told him what we wanted painted, but then we told him also things that we may want painted in the future, like the outside of our house. And so he looked at the outside of our house too and said that he could give us an estimate for that. So he actually gave us an estimate for the outside of our house and then the estimate for the inside that we wanted painted. And at this point we just had the inside painted, and we'll probably have the outside painted in a few months. They came right when they said they were going to come to start painting, which is important because we have a family of 5 kids, and so we're on a tight schedule. And they actually got done a little bit sooner than I thought. They said it'd be 2 full days, and they were done in a day and a half. All the paint crew was all real friendly. I was surprised at how fast they can get the work done, and not only fast, but it's detail oriented. Turned out really great.
We were kind of surprised, like when I came in they were mopping and finishing up, so they're mopping the floor. And I didn't notice at first that they had cleaned the kitchen, and my husband was like, I think they wiped down the refrigerator and they wiped down the microwave and the dishwasher. So they left it really clean, and our paint looked great. It just made it look a lot really fresh and new.
Since our appliances are stainless steel, it's not just wiping them down. It takes a little bit more effort to make them clean, and they look great. It made the whole house look new.
I would recommend it. Everyone that I came in contact with Smile a Mile was friendly. So I met two of the project managers, and they were super friendly. Asked if we needed anything else after they finished. We got a phone call that asked if they needed to come back or if everything was done how we wanted it. So yeah, they made it simple and quick and easy.
Everything was really positive. The price was reasonable. The crew was really friendly. They interacted with us and told us during the whole way when they thought they'd be done, things they were doing. We even had to add a closet and another room to be painted during the middle of it, and that was no problem. They were able to do that and add that in to the job, and so everything was just great. So Smile a Mile painted the interior of our house and cleaned it, and they did a great job.